segment 6-7, strategies for companies. Now, I'm on page 269 of the textbook, and this was another case study that you looked at in relation to the Gran Tierra Energy Incorporated company. And the question that I have for you is, how does each IP category, trademarks, patents, etc. specifically add value to the company? Now, we did and have discussed how it is that each of those add value to a company, but to just reemphasize, as you're going through these case studies, that patents relate to inventions, trademarks relate to brands, copyrights relate to materials that actually are created, and trade secrets relate to secrets. So when you're looking at this and you're trying to say, all right, what's the value of this versus this, keep in mind some of our one-word type summaries that we have discussed before as well. And that'll help kind of point you as far as analyzing the value for the intellectual property for the company itself. So with that said, let's talk about strategies for companies. So the first is, why do we even get IP? And this goes back to what we discussed with respect to a few lectures ago, boiling it down to two things. And under the patent strategy section, we said, okay, one, we want to make sure that we are protecting the core assets. And then secondly, whether that's market protection, offensive or defensive use, it all comes down to leverage and how it is that you can leverage and position the company such that it increases its leverage in the marketplace and with respect to competitors. So how do you manage it? This is again kind of an overview of what we discussed, the ABCDs of intellectual asset management. Come down to one, aggregating the information all together, so you're pulling it all together. Two, you're building some structure or organization of everything that you've compiled. Three, you confirm IP matters in that you verify that you in fact are the owner and they have proper ownership and things have been filed as needed. And last but not least, you then develop IP policies and strategies. Now, the idea here is that this is not just some linear progression as far as managing the assets, but it's a cycle, and all the assets should be constantly going through this cycle as far as aggregating. You're asking yourself, well, am I going to be continuing to aggregate? No, but that being said, once you have a core base, you should be periodically still doing an audit of all the assets in your portfolio to ensure that everything is correct there. As far as investing, we discussed the GPS acronym, namely to generate, position, and then to secure.